Hey guys, welcome back to Astronauts. Let's paint on this dried leaf I picked from my backyard 2 years back. And here's the reference image I found on Pinterest. I just love the lighting in the image. I will be sharing this in a tutorial format so you can easily follow along with me. First, I'm just outlining the tree with white pencil, and of course I'm going to use this himi gouache set. I'm picking the colors needed using palette knife. These are the brushes I will be using for the painting. 2 round brush, 1 filbert brush and flat brush. All of these in small size. I'm starting off with the white. If you look at the reference image, that's the part where sunlight reaches the most. Next, I'm mixing ochre, yellow and orange for the background. Ochre is just warm brown shade. Blend some burnt umber and ochre to the previous layer to give some depth to the background. In the background, we need to achieve the blurry effect, so we will be blending different shades of brown, green and orange. Here I am using the olive green, burnt umber and yellow to achieve the earthy look. Take lemon yellow and apply on the highlighted area. Blend the edges completely. We need a soft look. Next, take the brownish shade and blend around the yellow. While using gouache, remember that light colors dry darker and dark colors tend to dry lighter. So always swap the paints on the rough paper and choose which color suits best for the painting. Mix burnt umber and ochre and leave some space for the sun rays and paint around it. If you look at the background closely, you can see the bright orange yellow in bokeh effect. Let's paint them. Take orange on a tiny round brush and draw small circles randomly and blend the sharp edges because we need a blurry effect. Next, we are going to paint the sun rays with the dry brush technique. So take a dry filbert brush and pick some yellow. Brush the yellow on a old cloth because we don't need lot of paint for this technique. Now paint the sun rays. Remember the brush should be completely dry. Paint with burnt umber and ochre for the trees in the background and blend the edges to give a blurry look. For the tree in the front, mix black and ochre as a base color. For the grass part, I am mixing olive green with a touch of yellow. Next, mix burnt umber, red and yellow for the ground. Let's move on to paint the details on the trees with ochre and red. To highlight the tree, paint with ochre and orange on top. Paint tiny circles of white and blend the edges. To make the orange pop, paint tiny dots of yellow on the center of orange circles. The ground looks too flat, so let's add some textures and colors. Use a round brush and paint random shapes with burnt umber to indicate dried leaves on the ground and to give some depth as well. Follow the same process with red and orange. Now paint some maple leaf with orange and some leaves in brown, red and yellow as well. To give the leaves a natural look, paint with different shades of red, orange and yellow in a single leaf. Finally, highlight some leaves with bright yellow on top. Paint some tiny dots of yellow to give the sun ray look and to indicate sun particles. If you recreate this painting, make sure to tag me on Instagram @renarts. That's it guys. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye.